Oh guys, so there's another ship over there. I believe that's NCL or it's Carnival something. Carnival something, I don't know. Bahamas is just right there. We was like right here all night last night. And that's the rest of Bahamas. I missed the islands. There have a couple islands that were passed, but I was in the room, you know, getting ready to come out. So I'm out here now. Sorry if it's windy, but this is it. So I can walk up there and just showing you the rest of the boat and just have fun with you guys. Today's our last day on board, and it should be our last day of litness. This vlog should be another one. I'm not a one-it one day, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're on the highest deck, and this is the Carnival cruise boat. Carnival Victory. Yeah, you guys seen this before? This side. Yeah, I went on this slide, but it's lame, yo. Let me start slow down from like deers. And I'm gonna speed up somewhere up deers and then slow down like deers. That's just it. Anyways, man, I catch my thumbnail right now. Morning team, Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog, baby. So far so good, you know. Last day on board. I look some girl. You see me? I see we can get with a girl. No, I can't get enough of this view, yo. Can't get enough of this view. That's your boy. Hey man, what's up? This here is empty. Body not munch on anything. Yeah. Around here is the back of the boat. You know it's the first man come around here, so. Let's see how it looks from behind. I think Burners is like the adult section. Adios, Bahamas. It was nice. It was fun whilst it lasted. Oh, as you can see, like 2 propellers. You see that? 1, 2 propellers. This is beautiful, man. Man, can't do these trips with no mother and friend, bro. You don't need a bae. You need a bae, you know, a girlfriend. But this is a vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like the ocean and everything, like the whole vibe. It's crazy. Yeah. Oh, they play games up here. Where you guys throw the thingy in the hole. I don't know what it called, but they do that. Yeah, guys. Basically, on the ship is like just a vibe. Let me not believe me for sure now. Like anything else. It's a small boat. I believe out of 3 boats that dock by the pier or whatever I call. We are on the smallest ship. So nothing much is here. So it's alright if I just skip to later, you know? I'll show you guys later. I believe they have something exciting later. So we'll just jump to that. Call it a vlog. I look some girl. You see me? I see we can get with a girl. She gonna start over, y'all. She gonna start over. My daddy made that. Hold on. Hold on. Point him out. Point him out. Come on, Michelle. Come on. Come on, nurse. Come on, nurse Michelle. Yeah, I just met these people. Michelle. No. Come on, Shani. Come on, Michelle. Come on, Michelle. Come on, Kelly and Conway. Here comes Kelly. Okay. She's the one who invited me. Who next? All right, Morning again, Team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? And as you guys can see, we're back in Jamaica. As I did say, I did miss my flight, but thanks be to God, I catch my flight and we're here in Jamaica. This is a couple days after me arrived. So some of you guys may be wondering why my brother wasn't there and all of that. My brother is in college and all that good stuff, so you don't know exam time and beer thing. Besides from that, the trip was amazing, guys, man. Fully enjoyed myself. Back on site now. Still I reminisce 1 and 2 times on the trip. I met some awesome people. The girl in the video, the girl, wanna say the modeling and thing like that. I met them on the ship. One of them the real estate and all of that. She's a cool person, you know, and she dragged me in the family and we did that vibe. But after that, fell asleep. I just did sleep upon this trip. Man, I'm the type of person where love sleep. I would go to karaoke and all sorts of things and could have managed that. So fall asleep, wake up, rush, because I said the boat docked, the ship docked at 8 and we'd have to reach the airport before 9. So we make the impossible possible and we catch our flight. Flight left Florida 11:30, so that was okay. And then we reach a yard and then I just get sleep again. I'm still even tired from after the trip. And now with the back a yard, I just pick up where we left off, which is work on site. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog here. You guys have been amazing through my entire journey with this trip. You guys have been supportive. I see you guys in the comment. Reggie, who else? Something like Jevy. Who else? Powell. Who else? Orsinium, and all of them real people. They don't know things said. Thanks again, you guys, for watching my videos. Truly appreciate it. Hope you guys stick around for more semi-construction videos. And it's only going to get better. If you're not subscribed as yet, click that subscription button down below, you guys. It's worth it. It's 100% worth it. My channel is one of the best in Jamaica, if not is the best in Jamaica, and we do it for the vlog. So you don't know, Team Ismash. Stick around for my next video, which will be another awesome one. Don't know, you guys. Team Ismash, I'm out.
Yo, we work hard for it somewhere in our life, from people we still try kill them. Them don't know why you reach so far, I just Christ, but them grudge I feel one little